be locked up right now when we have wigs that look like this. This just doesn't make any sense. Baby, you gotta drop it after that wave.
12 seconds later.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Chrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, 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 girl. Hey, boy. How you doing? How you feeling? Do you guys like the song? I don't know. Let me know if you like the song. All right, guys. So today we are reviewing the Sensational Butta Lace Unit number 4. Yes, it's the Butta baby. This is from Sensational. It's from the makers of the What Lace. So this is the Butta lace. This is not What Lace. This is Butta lace. They launched 1, 2, and 3 about like 2 months ago or so. So now we're on 4, 5, 6. I don't know if they're gonna be more, but this is what we're doing. So we are on number 4, okay? So they came out with this Butta 4, and you know, my homegirls hit me up and was like, girl, they got Butta floor. So I have the color number 1. At first I was really hesitant to get this number 1 because I feel like number 1 on wigs look really wiggy, but oh my goodness, do y'all see this? Do you see the magic that is happening on camera right now? This is gorgeous. I wish we had somewhere to go. Shout out to my homie who let me know about this unit being in stock, because I'm pretty sure she sold out by now, and I'm not telling y'all who my homie is because she only my friend. Hey girl, you know who you are, boo. Let's talk about Butta lace. So I've reviewed a Butta lace unit before. Butta. When y'all say Butta lace, like don't it sound like somebody black came up with that? A Butta. The Butta lace. Why we can't say butter lace? The Butta lace. I feel so funny saying that. Let me know if y'all feel funny saying that too. So I have reviewed Butta lace 1. That was the bob. There was the Butta lace 2, which was longer, and Butta lace 3. I got that one coming up for you guys. But this one right here, I kind of was over the Butta lace when I did 1, because I don't know if you guys remember that review. I'll leave it right here. The lace did rip on me. So I was just thrown off from all of them. I said, I'm not doing this with y'all, Sensational. I'm not messing with 1. I'm not messing with 3. But I decided to go ahead and get 3, okay? You guys told me to get 3. So now we're on 4. We're on 4, okay? So I'm actually happy that I came back to the Butta lace because this is cute. Do you see this? Let's talk about the specs. So the Butta lace is supposed to be like Undetectable HD lace. This is a thinner lace, and I really do like that feature of this Butta lace because this lace definitely is thinner. It's HD, but it is thinner, so I can say that. Be careful. I'm not sure if any of these are gonna rip, but my one did rip. Not too many people that have reviewed the 1 to 3 ripped, so maybe it was just me being too aggressive. I don't know, but this one didn't rip, so I was super careful putting her on this time because I said I can't be ripping laces over here, okay? This wig has a lace part. It's not like the regular what lace where you have your 13 by 6 whole parting area. You just get your lace part. You also do get a lace frontal effect thing going on here. I feel like if you melt it properly, like if you lay it down with glue or spray or whatever, you absolutely can get that frontal effect. I do like the fact that we still are getting these like small knots in the front here. You're probably seeing a halo because I didn't melt it the way I probably needed to. I just did it for the sake of the video, but Sensationnel does a really good job with the hairline. Putting this back, and if you wanted to, you know, put that down, the knots are thinner on here. It looks like it's pre-plucked, and I think they do a really good job. Now the cap, I feel like the cap could be a little bit bigger. I did go in with a wig rip to keep it from riding back, but I do feel like it could have been a little bit bigger, but it's not too bad. It works. I did leave some of my baby hairs out on the side. It does come with baby hairs, so you can do whatever you feel like you need to do. This lace is a little bit thinner, and I'm noticing with these thinner laces, depending on the lace, if you guys see, you probably do see that halo because like I said, I didn't go in and secure all of this down. We're sitting on the couch. We're not doing anything after this, okay? Oh. Because the lace is so thin, I do feel like it kind of like rolls back, so I don't know. I feel like you probably need to secure this before you cut it, but that's just my opinion. It just kind of rolls back a little bit. I did use my Got2b glue spray right here just to kind of secure just this part. Honestly, I feel like you could just put this on your head and she'll be fine. She'll be all right. I do like the curls in this unit. Like, it's a nice summer. Like, why we gotta be locked up right now when we have wigs that look like this? This just doesn't make any sense. Do you see the beauty? So I do like the curls. Fibers are very soft. It just feels good. I am getting a little bit of frizziness coming out here, but I do feel like that's the kind of beauty of this wig. And the more she frizzes out, the more it kind of looks a little bit more natural. But there are some like strands, some stringy parts. But it's nothing that a little bit of scissors can't fix. Like, look at that. Look at that. So this part right here, I do wish it was kind of a little bit more. I wish they would have chopped that a little bit. But this wig is gorgeous, y'all. Like, it is so pretty. I can't remember. I probably need to go back and watch my Butta one. I can't remember how that cap felt, but it's okay. It's not too bad. Like, I did put this off a little bit off my hairline and use my own baby hairs to kind of make it look a little bit more natural. But if you don't have baby hairs, she could still work. I don't feel like she's too bad. Like, I feel like you could still work with her. I'm loving the curls on this. Look at this. Like, these curls are gorgeous. I'm really liking the texture of this wig. It's nice and soft. It feels really good. She's just beautiful. She is gorgeous, y'all. Like, I feel like Sensationnel is listening with some things. I don't feel like she looks too wiggy. I just feel like I went and put some curls in my hair. She's really light. I don't have any issues with, not that she would be heavy, but the texture is so light and soft that the wig is light, so it doesn't feel like I have a wig on my head. I'm not really getting any shedding from this unit, but I don't feel like you should be running your hands through this unit anyway. Normally with curly units, sorry y'all, my camera died and I was over there talking to myself. I don't even know where we left off, but I was trying to say that, look, I went and took the wig off and everything. It's probably looking all funky.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's try this again. So normally with my curly units, I do like them. I normally say that I don't like to mess with my curly units. I like them to get fluffy over time. But I am noticing that because of how soft this is, it is doing that on its own. But I did go ahead and kind of finger it. I did kind of go ahead and finger the curls a little bit just to kind of, you know, get a little bit more shape to her. And I do like that. Like, this wig is super pretty. There are a lot of nice different colors in here. Sensational has the normal colors that we all love. Your flamboyage, chocolate, wine, every color you want to think about is in there. Blonde to copper. You have all kind of colors. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this wig. And until next time, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.